Welcome back to another Forex weekend review. This is a video covering the week of July 11th, 2016. We're going to be looking at three currency pairs of what that means for you, the market, and your money. The first chart we're going to look at is of the euro dollar. We're going to talk about this uptrend that was broken, a few weeks ago, and how now price has definitely rolled over, especially after Brexit. Just this chart does not look good to us. To start more recent price action, we have this supporting downtrend line that was violated by the Brexit, but then it quickly recovered, and now it looks like we're rolling over again. We actually traded this little bounce for a very nice profit, and we got out, I believe, on this day. Traded up again, and now definitely rolled over back to pretty much where we entered our trade. You also have this upper resistance line, which now puts us in a downward trend line, which is very, very bearish. Stochastics is, this is pretty much trading down. If you want to, kind of put a pattern like this on it, matches the chart. RSI definitely trading with negative momentum. This kind of supports, gives a little support to the price action. We don't think it'll hold. Everything else is pointing to bad news. The MACD is trading down again. I mean, look at this. Bam, 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 bam. I mean, just that's a real resistance line on the MACD for the momentum. The price action doesn't look good. Indicators don't look good. Euro dollar's going down. The dollar keeps spiking. Oil's going down. I mean, watch all of our videos. I mean, we'll pull up the oil chart, but we covered this already. Oil's going down. The dollar, that's going down too. As we pull that up, I mean, that's going up. I'm sorry. The dollar's going up. Oil's going down. The euro dollar's going down. Stock market's going higher. That is what you need to be aware of. We think you should be short the euro dollar. Markets are going to make new highs. Oil is going to continue going lower. The dollar is going to spike. The next chart we're going to look at is of the dollar yen. I mean, what can we say about this? Look at this downtrend. I mean, this is crazy ridiculous. And then you have a new resistance line down here. This supporting line. I mean, look at this channel. I mean, that's a serious channel. I mean, even when we're in oversold conditions, markets don't bounce. I mean, you get a bounce there, but bam, you get hit with another one. Markets oversold here, no bounce. I mean, look at this, no bounce, no bounce, no bounce. Another leg down. Markets oversold, get a little bit of bounce, and then bam. Here, bam. That's just a story. I mean, so when we're looking at the market here, we don't think you're gonna see a move all the way up to the 106 area to the 105 area. You're probably gonna get to the 102, and then you're gonna get hit with another leg down. So the US dollar yen, you should definitely stay short. If you're not short, wait for this little bounce probably midweek and then short that, and you'll get a nice little trade out of that. Alright, the next chart we're going to look at, we're actually going to throw in a bonus chart. So we said we're going to do 3, but we're actually going to do 4 this week. The next chart is of the pound dollar, and we might actually surprise some people with this trade and what we think. After this consolidation period over here, I mean, this is pretty noticeable. See this? Bam. And then we have Brexit. Obviously, we thought that they were going to stay. Pound trade higher. Nope, they want to leave. Bam, you get smacked. It's currently sitting at $1.2946. We think this is a perfect time to go long, honestly. A lot of top people said that this is the level that they thought the currency was going to trade down to. I mean, you look at this chart, price has never been this low in I honestly don't remember how long. This is even below 2008. I'll try to go back far as I can. The 20-year monthly, that's as far back as I can go, and price hasn't been this low. I believe it was like 35 years that the price of this currency has never been this low. So from a long-term perspective, we're going long. We're buying it here. Okay? It doesn't matter. It could go a little bit lower. In the long term, we are going to be right. And we'll make a shitload of money on this. On the monthly chart, we're starting to become in oversold condition, which further makes us more happy about this position. Even if we get price to go back to the 140 area, we'll be happy, but we won't cover. We'll take some of our position off just in case the price rolls back down, just to, make some near-term profits, keep our clients happy, keep us happy, make us money. But we're taking a sizable position in this. In the long term, we know we're going to be right. Now, we're not trying to sound like condescending, but when price is this low, you have to buy. It's just like gold when it went all the way down. People thought there's no use for it. We bought it then too. When price gets so low, sometimes you gotta buy it. You know you'll be right. Finally, in the last chart we're going to be talking about is of the Aussie dollar, US dollar. We are super bullish on this chart. We think this is going to be a nice trade throughout the rest of the year. We were trading this, we were shorting this all last year, all in 2014, and we think it is time to really go long the Aussie dollar. You see this negative trend. I mean, look at this bearish trend. Leg down, leg down, leg down. Consolidation period, leg up, leg down. And we're looking to see a leg up and above this previous high. We're looking to see, low bottom, maybe a double bottom. You could maybe call that a double bottom. Leg up, new high, okay? New high, low, and we're looking to make a new high here, a higher high, and then a higher low. That's the trend we're looking for in this. Looking at the RSI, you got a strong RSI, support, support, support. MACD is super bullish, a lot of momentum coming in, double bottom on the stochastics. This is the weekly chart to remind you. We've been long for over a week now, and we're going to continue to add to our position. The price target we think you'll see near term is this 78 cents level. It's a pretty fair assessment to make. On the daily chart, got a nice uptrend right here. You got a little channel forming, and that's it. That's our Forex weekend review. As always, visit our website, follow us on Twitter. We give out free trades frequently. If you're interested in following our live Forex trades, where we consistently post awesome profits we have on our website just $5,000, the growth of it. Just visit our website. We have 2 tabs on the main homepage. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and happy trading.